The Tesla bot is about to hit the market in 6 stylish base colors, each one as bold and distinctive as Tesla's own cars. And the expected starting price? Around $45,000. So, which color would you pick for your personal robot companion? Honestly, Elon Musk just refuses to slow down with the Tesla bot project. While Chinese robotics companies are already showing off humanoid robots that can perform backflips, play ping pong, and even throw punches, Musk is moving in his own bold direction. Before we jump into this wild update, welcome to Amp Drive, the spot where Tesla dreams and future tech come alive. If you love bold ideas and jaw-dropping innovations, smash that subscribe button and roll with the Amp Drive crew, because what's coming next will blow your mind. Now, back to the story. Elon Musk has just released a jaw-dropping demonstration video showing Optimus, the Tesla bot, practicing Kung Fu. And according to Musk, the upcoming Optimus Gen 3 that is expected later this year will be something truly out of this world. He said it will not only walk and talk but could eventually cook, clean, and even take care of people. That sounds almost unbelievable, right? Yet, Musk's ambitions for Optimus go far beyond simple novelty. He believes this humanoid robot could one day generate profits that completely surpass Tesla's electric cars. But of course, this is also Musk's biggest gamble. If the robot fails to perform real, useful tasks reliably, customers simply will not buy it. And if that happens, it could seriously hurt Tesla's financial position. Developing a humanoid robot that can operate safely and efficiently around humans is a challenge that goes far beyond anything Musk has ever attempted, except maybe Starship. That's why every new update about this project is so fascinating and worth paying close attention to. In the latest demo video, Optimus surprised everyone with its stunning martial arts performance. This was not some stiff, awkward dancing like in the early prototypes. This time, the robot moved fast, smooth, and with control that felt shockingly human. For the first time, we could see real progress that hinted at serious hardware and software upgrades. Musk confirmed the video was not computer-generated or remote-controlled. It was a genuine demonstration of artificial intelligence, filmed directly from his own phone. That authenticity made people's jaws drop. In the clip, Optimus performs kung fu movements with precision and endurance. Development engineers later explained that these weren't simple pre-programmed steps, but the result of training through motion capture and reinforcement learning, the same type of system used in advanced self-learning models. What really made the clip special was how the robot responded to unpredictable moments. For instance, when one of the trainers gave it a strong push, Optimus didn't fall or freeze. It adjusted its posture and regained balance like a human would. This suggests Tesla's engineers have given Optimus something close to muscle memory, the ability to recover and react even when conditions change unexpectedly. However, since the tests involved potential collision risks, Tesla installed safety systems such as suspension cables and an emergency stop feature to prevent accidents during the performance. These were precautionary measures to ensure that no one got hurt if something went wrong. The most mind-blowing aspect, though, was the speed of its mechanical actuators. Many robotics experts had previously doubted that Optimus could reach such motion speeds due to its design. But the video proves they were wrong. Optimus executed fluid, lightning-fast moves in sequences that looked straight out of a martial arts movie. The robot was performing a structured routine similar to a kata in martial arts, likely based on pre-trained command sequences. Some analysts compared it to how video game characters execute combos through pre-coded instructions. Of course, this demo was not about creating a combat robot. Tesla was using martial arts training as a way to test balance, speed, precision, and flexibility, all vital for everyday tasks. When Optimus eventually becomes available to customers, it will not rely on choreographed routines. It will make its own real-time decisions based on the environment, just like a human. Tesla's Vice President of Autonomy, Ashok Eluswamy, who also leads the Optimus program, reposted Musk's video and commented, "Just the beginning. Once the artificial intelligence models for self-driving and Optimus unify, it's going to be fire." That statement reveals Tesla's ambitious long-term strategy, to merge the AI brains behind full self-driving cars and Optimus into one powerful model. Think about that for a second. Tesla's self-driving cars continuously scan their surroundings, analyze real-time data, and react to unpredictable events like a sudden pedestrian crossing. Optimus uses the same kind of visual understanding and reasoning, but applied to human-like motion. The moment Tesla successfully unites these two AI systems, both the vehicles and humanoid robots could evolve at an explosive pace. That could redefine automation as we know it. Still, as amazing as the kung fu performance looked, the demonstration was clearly a controlled setup. Observers noticed both the trainer and Optimus paused before any physical contact, ensuring safety. The sequence opened and closed like a martial arts ritual, suggesting it was a carefully structured training scenario. Tesla clarified afterward that the purpose was to show Optimus' range of motion, speed, and coordination, not to hint at any combat capability. So yes, we can all relax, no Terminator fears here. Critics have compared Optimus with China's Unitree G1 robot, which can already withstand multiple punches and kicks, stand back up after falls, and even stabilize itself using thrusters without support cables. Tesla's robot, on the other hand, still performs complex moves with safety cables attached. But if you look closely, those cables are more like a safety net than active support. They barely affect balance or motion, they just catch the robot if it falls. The Tesla bot is still young, and these martial arts demos are mainly metaphors for its rapid progress in learning human-like motion. After all, no one wants to buy a robot just to watch it do kung fu. The real dream is a household robot that can help with everyday chores, cooking, cleaning, and even caring for loved ones. And that's exactly what Tesla is building toward. Balance, precision, and smooth coordination are the foundation for those future tasks. Imagine buying a robot that could serve you a drink, but it slips and spills it. No one would want that. That is why Tesla's engineers are obsessed with achieving perfect balance and motion control. One slip could not only ruin a task but also pose danger in close human environments. In a factory, Optimus might carry heavy tools or move through tight production lines. In a home, it could walk between tables and kids' toys. If it cannot maintain balance, it's useless or even risky. Tesla's current focus is on sensors, motion control software, and emergency reflexes that mimic human reactions. Those quick steps backward, small recovery hops, or posture adjustments after being pushed, they may look like showy moves, but they are essential safety mechanisms. Elon Musk recently talked about something truly mind-bending. He said that one day, Optimus could learn new tasks simply by watching videos, just like humans do. Imagine a Tesla bot learning to cook or repair something just by watching a YouTube tutorial. That's not just impressive, that's revolutionary. It would make Optimus the first truly universal robot in human history. One day it could fry eggs, the next it could fix plumbing or even walk the dog. This creates a powerful new concept, a massive global network of learning robots. Each Optimus could share what it learns with millions of others almost instantly. If an Optimus in Texas learns to make pancakes, an Optimus in Berlin could do the same seconds later. It's a worldwide collective memory, something no species has ever achieved before. Cooking, for example, is one of the hardest tests for any robot. Think about what's involved in frying an egg, identifying the ingredients, gripping objects gently without breaking them, handling heat safely, timing every action, and reacting to splattering oil or an overflowing pan. The robot must make precise hand movements while constantly analyzing its surroundings. No two kitchens are the same either, so it must adapt to different layouts, tools, and situations. If Optimus can cook a full meal independently, it would prove that humanoid robots are ready for the real world. When Tesla first showed off Optimus at AI Day 2021, many laughed and called it a stage prop. But only a few years later, we've seen the Gen 2 prototype sorting parts in factories, folding clothes, and even holding an egg delicately without cracking it. What once looked like a science fiction gimmick is slowly turning into a truly capable humanoid. The most exciting part is how Optimus could transform life inside the home. Imagine a robot that can clean your living room, wash dishes, and even put away your laundry. Smart vacuum cleaners already help us, but they only handle flat floors and simple paths. Optimus, however, could move furniture, pick up fallen objects, and adapt on the spot without needing a pre-mapped route. And that's just the beginning. Elon Musk has said Optimus could one day act as a personal assistant, teacher, or even a companion. He imagines a friendly robot that can mow the lawn, walk the dog, and even help your children learn through interactive activities. Optimus could read bedtime stories, remind kids to brush their teeth, or help with math exercises, tirelessly and patiently. Parents could monitor everything safely through the robot's cameras. It would be like having an extra pair of helpful hands in the family. Then there's elder care, one of the most important future applications. In countries like the United States, where the senior population is growing fast, there's a huge need for in-home support. Optimus could remind seniors to take medicine, detect if they fall, and even help them move safely around the house. Using its cameras and sensors, it could spot hazards like wet floors or misplaced furniture. Beyond physical assistance, it could also offer companionship, talking, reading, or playing music to ease loneliness. For seniors who find modern technology confusing, Optimus could act as a bridge. It could start a video call, turn on the television, adjust the thermostat, or connect to other smart home devices with just a voice command. This makes technology more human and accessible than ever before. Imagine how freeing that would be for millions of elderly people. Of course, every revolutionary invention brings concerns. Many worry that robots will one day replace humans or even turn against them. Movies have shaped these fears for decades, from Terminator to I, Robot. But reality is far less dramatic. Today's robots, including Optimus, are nowhere near that level of autonomy or intelligence. They can perform defined tasks but still depend heavily on human guidance and limited situational awareness. They do not set goals or make independent moral decisions like humans. Even so, the concern about robots taking jobs is real. Just as industrial machines replaced manual labor in factories, humanoid robots could eventually handle tasks in warehouses, hospitals, or hotels. Yet, history shows that every wave of automation creates new industries and opportunities. The loom displaced weavers but gave birth to fashion. Cars replaced horse carriages but created entire new economies around transportation. Similarly, robots will replace repetitive tasks but create new roles in management, creativity, design, and maintenance. Also, humanoid robots will not be cheap for a long time. Even at $40,000 or $50,000, it's more economical in most cases to hire a person for basic services. So in the near term, Optimus will complement humans rather than replace them. The real challenge for this decade is learning how to work alongside robots safely and effectively. So now that you've seen Elon Musk's new Kung Fu demo, what do you think? Would you buy a Tesla bot if it could really cook, clean, and take care of your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to Amp Drive for more thrilling updates about Tesla, Elon Musk, and the future that's already knocking on our door. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.